Hey everyone, we're looking at the Dow and in Market Analyst. I wanted to kind of go over just a couple things that I'm starting to see here, and I think it's quite clear that we are in a very, very vulnerable point with the marketplace. I think we're going to see a very big correction action starting to take place. You're seeing this sideways action. It's not looking very healthy. We see long-term divergence from the swing. We've been talking about that for a while, and it was really kind of at that point, how you have to respect the fact you're in an uptrend, and you could always see the new change here, and it can kind of change that dynamic. But if it doesn't change soon, what happens is you see this lingering action, and then you start to see a potential big correction action. And what's interesting here is we're seeing some of these prior highs getting taken away and also coming back into play. We know these are very, very crucial, and we could see that that's happening right now, as the prices are not able to really hold that 18,000 anymore and starting to break lower into lower ranges here, and now back underneath an important moving average. What I think is also very crucial here is that, because we're at this is the 50-day exponential moving average, and we're seeing this break under that. So we're really starting to see some potential danger signs happening in the marketplace from a bearish standpoint. We also see this on the para point, and it's starting to look bearish. Here we're seeing this really break through this very vulnerable point, and a very important point as we're looking in the PowerPoint. You could see here it hit the high here, and it's the midpoint there for the 17,800 level. We see it kind of still closing a little bit above that. So for the bulls, that's still, okay, but I still am very concerned. I think the bulls should be liquidating any stocks, or at least minimize your exposure in this marketplace, because this is really, I think we're starting to see the end of this move, or we could really be seeing a very sizable potential for that. Anyway, I would be watching for a break over the next week, and especially as we move through this next several days and early Monday. Monday you could really see some follow through there. It's very, very. In my opinion, I would be bearish on this market until we break this prior high of 18,250. Unless we break with some momentum, I'm bearish in this point and would be short.